Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss exercise 2.3 in sets of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, before doing this exercise, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed yet, thank you. Yes, let's go through this. Yeah. See, this is the first question in exercise 2.3. Which of the following sets are equal? Which of the following sets are equal? Here three sets I have given. In these three sets, which sets are equal? We should say, right? Yes, let us read one by one. A is equal to set of x is that x is a letter in the word follow. Next, B is equal to set of x is that x is a letter in the word flow. Next, C is equal to set of x is that x is a letter in the word wolf, right? Yes, here these all three sets have given in the form of set builder, right? Set builder form has given. We have to convert these into first, yes, roster form, right? Yes. See, A is equal to set of x is that x is a letter in the word follow, right? Yes, write down. A is equal to set of letters we should write now. So first we have to write all the letters using commas, right? Yes, F, O, L two times has come now. Yes, no need to write second time. Here W, O also two times has come. O. So no need to write. Next is W. F, O, L, W. Here is the set of the letters F, O, L, W, right? So in the same way, write down B also. B is equal to x is that x is a letter in the word flow, right? Write down F, L, O, W. Only once only has come all the letters. There is no repetition of letters, right? F, L, O, W. Next, in the same way, C is equal to x is that x is a letter in the word wolf, right? Yes, wolf, W, O, L, F. W, O, L, F. So all the sets I have written in the roster form. See, observe these carefully here. A, B, C. Sets A, B, C consists of the letters F, O, L, W. See, F, O, L, W here, F, O, L, W. Here also F, O, L, W. So these three are equal or not? Equal sets or not? Exactly. So therefore sets A, B and C have the same elements. Right. So A, B, C and have the same elements. That's why. So these are all equal sets, right? So A is equal to B is equal to C. All are equal sets. Understood clearly? Yes, no, no. Next, second question. Consider the following sets and fill up the blanks in the statement given below with equal to or not equal to, so as the make the statement is true. Look here. Consider the following sets. Consider the following these sets totally A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 sets have given, no? Yes. Fill up the blanks. See, fill up the blanks in the statement given below with equal to or not equal to, so as to make the statement is true, right? Yeah. See, all the sets. A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3. B is equal to the first three natural numbers. C is equal to set of A, B, C, D and D is equal to D, C, A, B. E is equal to set of A, E, I, O, U and F is equal to set of vowels in English alphabets. Right. Yeah. Once look here, this is A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3. B is equal to the first three natural numbers. First three natural numbers means, yes, 1, 2, 3 only or not? Yes. These are also B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 only. Yeah. Next here, C is equal to A, B, C, D. D is equal to D, C, A, B, which means A, B, C, D. See here, these both are equal. Here also this is 1, 2, 3 and this is also 1, 2, 3. These both are also equal. Next, E is equal to set of A, E, I, O, U, and F is equal to set of vowels in English alphabet. Set of vowels in English alphabets means, yes, see, this is F is equal to set of A, E, I, O, U only. So that's why here E and F are also equal, right? So by this, let us do these 7 problems, right? Yeah, A dash B. We have to fill up the blanks with equal to or not equal to, right? A dash B means A is equal to B or not? Exactly, equal. So equal to A dash E. A and E, these both are not equal. Why? Because here 1, 2, 3 is there, here A, E, I, O, U is there. So that's why this is clearly not equal. Next, C and D. C and D. C is A, B, C, D and D is D, C, A, B. So here all the elements in C and all the elements in D are equal, isn't it? Here A, B, C, D is there. Here also A, B, C, D is there. Right? Yes, so this C is equal to D, clearly. Next, D and F. D and F. This is A, B, C, D and this is set of A, E, I, O, U. So equal or not equal? Yes, exactly. Not equal. Right. Next, F and A. F, set of A, E, I, O, U. A is set of 1, 2, 3. So these both are also not equal. Next, D and E. D, A, B, C, D, E, A, E, I, O, U. So these are also not equal. Right? Yes. F and B. F. Set of vowels in English alphabets. B is the first 3 natural numbers 1, 2, 3. So those both are also not equal. Is it clear? Yes, note it down. Next, third question. In each of the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. In each of the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. Here, four conditions I have given. So here, in each condition, A and B sets have given. Right? So, in each condition, we should say that A is equal to B or not. Let us see. Right? Yes. Look here, A is equal to here set of A, B, C, D and B is equal to set of D, C, A, B. A is equal to set of A, B, C, D and B is equal to D, C, A, B. See, in these two sets, same elements are present. Isn't it? In these two sets, same elements are present. But order is not same. But here all the elements are A, B, C, D and here also A, B, C, D. So that's why A is equal to B or not? Exactly. So, in the sets A and B, same elements are present. Same elements are present. Therefore, A is equal to B. Right? Therefore, A is equal to B. Next, coming to the second one. A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. Here B is equal to 8, 4, 16, 18. So here these elements are equal? Not equal, not same, right? Why? Because here 4, 8, 12, 16. The multiples of 4 are there up to 16. Here in the B itself 4, 18, 16, 4, 8 and 16 is there. Not there 12 and extra 18 is there. So in these two sets, the elements are not same. So that's why A is not equal to B. That is only right now. In the sets A and B, the elements are not same. Therefore, A is not equal to B. Therefore, A is not equal to B. Right? Next, coming to the third one. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equal to X, Z. X is a positive even integer less than or equal to 10. Here, it is in roster form and it is in set builder form now. So, first write this into roster form. right? So B is equal to, how can you write now? B is equal to x is that x is a positive even integer less than or equal to 10. Positive even integers. What are even integers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Less than or equal to 10 has given, no? Yes, that is only right now. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 only. X is a positive integer where x is less than or equal to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these both are equal or not? Yes, because these two sets having the same elements. Write down. In the sets A and B, same elements are present. So therefore A is equal to B. Therefore A is equal to B. Right? Yes, coming to the final one. So A is equal to x is z. X is a multiple of 10. B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on is there. So this is in set-Bellr form now. So first write this into roster form. So A is equal to set of x is that x is a multiple of 10. So multiples of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. But here B is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 is there. So these are the multiples of 10. 15 is multiple of 10? Not. So here these are the multiples of 5 from 10. Right? So these both are not equal. Why? Because these two sets having no common element. Common elements are there, but all the elements are not same. Right? That is only write down. In the sets A and B, the elements are not same. Therefore A is not equal to B. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, fourth question. State the reasons for the following. State the reasons for the following. Here 4 questions have given. Yes, let us state the reason for each of the following. See, first one, set of 1, 2, 3 and so on 10. Set of 1, 2, 3 and so on 10 up to, which means set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Next, in this set x is that x belongs to n and 1 is less than x less than 10. This is x belongs to n only, but 1 is less than x less than 10. So how can you write? This is in set-Bellr form. So how can you write in roster form? This set is the numbers which are x is that x belongs to n, x is in between 1 and 10. So what are those numbers? Yes, 2, 4, 6, natural numbers only, no? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 only. So why? Because x is less than 10 and 1 is less than x only, no? So the numbers in between 1 and 10 we have to write. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But here in the first set itself 1 to 10 numbers are there. Right? So these both are not equal. Right? Yes. In the two above sets not having the same elements, therefore those are not equal. Understood clearly? Yes. Next, coming to the second one. This is set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The even numbers which are less than 12 or less than or equal to 10. The even numbers, these are all. In the second set, x is that x is equal to 2n plus 1. x belongs to n. Here 2n plus 1 and x belongs to n means, yes, in the place of n we have to substitute 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2n plus 1 is the form of odd numbers, right? So this set equal to, how can you write? This is, suppose 1, if you substitute 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Next, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Next, 9 and so on. First set consists of even numbers and second set consists of odd numbers. So these are all, both are not equal. Yes. In the above set, first set consists of even numbers and second set consists of odd numbers. So those are not equal. Is it clear? Yeah. Third question. 5, 15, 30, 45. 5, 15, 30, 45. And this is x says that x is a multiple of 15. So first this set builder form is there, no? So convert into roster form. So x says that x is a multiple of 15. That is, yes, 15, 30, 45 and so on. Right? So in the first set, 5, 15, 30, 45. So here 15, 30, 45 are multiples of 15. So 5 is not multiple of 15. Here these are all multiples of 15 only. So that's why these both are not equal. In the first set, 5 is not a multiple of 15. In second set, all are multiples of 15. So those are not equal sets. Understood clearly? Yes. Coming to the final one, fourth one. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 is there. Set of 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here x says that x is a prime number. X says that x is a prime number means, yes, convert into, write into roster form. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on, right? So here in the first set, 2, 3, 5, 7. These 4 are prime numbers. 9 is not a prime number. Isn't it? Yes, that's why these both are not equal. In the first set, 9 is not a prime number. In the second set, all are prime numbers. So those are not equal. So why we have written the writing? Because here given clearly, state the reasons for the following. No? That's why I have written the writing. So we have to state the reason. Understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, fifth question. This is the final question in this exercise 2.3. Yes. List all the subsets of the following sets. Here 5 sets have given. B is equal to set of PQ, C is equal to set of XYZ, D is equal to set of ABCD, E is equal to set of 1, 4, 9, 16, and F is equal to set of 10, 100 and 1000. So for each of the following sets, we will write the subsets, right? Yeah. Let us take the first question. First one, B is equal to set of P comma Q. So what are the subsets for B? here. Yes, subsets of B are, yes, so empty set is the subset for all the sets, no? So that's why write empty set. Empty set means pi, right? Next set of P, next set of Q, and set of P comma Q. So every set is subset to itself. That's why set of P Q also we should write. So null set, set of P, set of Q, and set of P comma Q. These are the subsets of set of PQ. Understood clearly? Yeah. Next, second one. Second one, C is equal to set of X comma Y comma Z. Right. Yes. Subsets of C are, yes, first null set is subset. Next, set of X, set of Y, next set of Z, right? Next set of X comma Y, set of X comma Y, next set of Y comma Z, isn't it? Next set of X comma Z, right? Next set of X comma Y comma Z. So null set is subset. Next, every subset is subset to itself. That's why set of X, Y, Z. The remaining subsets, set of X, set of Y, set of Z. Next, set of X, Y, set of Y, Z, and set of X, Z. So these are the subsets of C, right? Next, third one. Third, D is equal to set of A, B, C, D, right? Yes, D is equal to set of A, B, C, D. Subsets of D are, yes, null set. Next after that, set of A, set of B, set of C, set of D, right? Next, two elements, set of AB, set of AC, set of AD, right? Next, set of BC, set of BD, next set of CD, right? Totally here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 already came. Next here 1 element completed, 2 elements also completed. Next 3 elements, a set of ABC, next set of ACD, next set of ABD, right? Set of ABC, set of ACD, set of ABD completed. Next set of, yes, BCD, yes, BCD not completed. Yes, next finally set of ABCD, set of ABCD. So totally 16 subsets will come, okay, because here 4 elements are there, no, 2 power 4, 16 subsets should come, right? So what are those? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Is it clear? Yes. Next, coming to the fourth one. Yes, fourth one, E is equal to set of 1 4 9 16. So here also 16 subsets should come, right? Yes, write down subsets of E are, yes, what are those? Pi. Next, set of 1 single element, set of 4, set of 9, set of 16, right? Double elements, set of 1 comma 4, set of 1 comma 9, set of 1 comma 16, next set of 4 comma 9, set of 4 comma 16, and set of 9 comma 16. So two elements completed. Next, three elements. Set of 1, 4, 9. Set of 1, 4, 16. Next set of 1, 4, 9 completed. 1, 4, 16 completed. 1, 9, 16. 1, 9, 16. Next set of 4, 9, 16. 4, 9, 16. And finally, yes, set of 1, 4, 9, 16. Yes, 16 have come or not? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So these are the subsets to set E. So finally, fifth one, F is equal to set of 100, 10, 100 and 1000. Yes, fifth one I will do here. Fifth, yes, F is equal to set of 10, 100 and 1000. Right. Subsets of F are pi. Yes, single elements, set of 10, set of 100, set of 1000. Next, single elements completed, double elements, set of 10 comma 100. Next, set of 10 comma 1000. Next, set of 100 comma 1000. And finally, a set of 10 comma 100 comma 1000. So these are subset to set F. Totally 8 subsets should come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? Because of 2 cube. So if a set having n elements, then number of subsets to that set is 2 power n. Look here, in the first cell set 2 elements are there. That's why this is 2 square, which means 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 elements means 3 elements. 2 cube, that is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 4 elements means 16. Already 16. We have count now? Yes. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.